Welcome to my YouTube channel, How To. Today we will learn 5 daily habits to live a fulfilled life. 1. Exercise or workout daily at least 30 minutes. Workouts will make you strong both mentally as well as physically. 2. Learn and develop skills and sell them in the market to make yourself financially stable. 3. Get better at your studies. Gain knowledge and start preparing for any competitive exam. 4. Get out of your comfort zone now. Stop wasting your time and start working on yourself. 5. Let me know the 5th habit in comment section. Our videos can make you both healthy and wealthy. Subscribe the channel now.